Hello guys, this is me Jamil Ahmed from Pyresearch channel. So today we are gonna go explore Adobe Illustrator. So we have tried something different from detecting things to a graphic designing. So we will start our designing classes as well. So this is the public channel, or we can try new things as well. You can also suggest us the new things you wanna learn. So comment out below on our videos so we can see on working them. So we are go Adobe Illustrator to 2021. So this is the main first impression of Adobe Illustrator. So you can see on our left hand side we have a tools panel. This is called tool panel, and every tool has its unique feature. So we gonna go just exploring some tools, some basic tools, so we can start our designing. So this is tools is called selection tool, or we can say this tools uh, works for detecting, selecting, deselecting, merging. We can say this is the main tool in Adobe Illustrator. This is the most important tool in the Adobe Illustrator. This is the tool. The next thing after this is the pen tool. Pen tool is used for, as you know, as you already used the pen. Pen tool has its own unique feature. You can see it regulates its curves. We can draw a shape, any shape, any shape. So sorry, I am bad at drawing. So I'm gonna try some banana shape. I think I will draw a banana shape, or we can try a orange or a apple. Okay, let's start with apple. Okay, I am bad at drawing, so I'm already asking to please take my drawing lightly. Okay, I have the I am I'm trying to draw apple or something like that. Okay, I think it's okay for now. This is the pen tool. Sorry. Uh, okay, I think it's good for now. Okay, I have drawn apple. This is the menus of pen tool. So this is a type tool. You can say it's a texting tool. We can text anything else. A well, you can see it's apple enlarging its size. It's called apple. So for now, just is the starting of our new thing, Adobe Illustrator. So we have just apple. Okay. So we have just learned three tools only. That it's selection tool, pen tool, and type tool. I thought you will be learned everything. If you want to learn more about Adobe Illustrator designing, or want to learn more tools from Adobe Illustration, so you can comment out below. So we will follow up your comments, and we will make more videos about designing, about illustration, about designing in portraits. So I will try my best to teach you each and everything with clarity. If you have more questions regarding this video, you can contact our channel, and don't forget to like our channel, subscribe our channel, and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.